cold steel morning, engine breath, Cornish wind on a road that bends, boot on gravel, sky burns red, ghosts of miles in the road ahead.
So, this is the old one. As you can see, that's what I was left with, so that's why it was feeling notchy. So yeah, just about hang on. So that slots through a gap between the engine and the frame, and you can't actually get that out without taking the or loosening the frame. When I took the cable off, I had to cut it off. So I'll now compare it to the new one. I've seen some aftermarket ones where it's not the same setup. This initially is looking exactly the same setup. Yeah, exactly the same setup. It's certainly from the drum to where it fits on the bike is exactly the same, so it'll fit the same. Obviously the adjuster's the same in the middle. Actually looks a little bit more robust. This part looks a hell of a lot better than what's on the original, because it seems to have some sort of metal surround which is crimped onto a loose part, but this is a lot more solid, a lot better quality. So 179 plus VAT, that one, 80 quid delivered. Well, today's my birthday and I'm off to the Flag to put my clutch cable on Thunder. So yeah, nice way to spend my birthday, but well, it actually is, because I get the bike back on the road. You still waiting for me?
Yes, I am. Falling asleep. It's a good job it's your birthday.
And a turning tide, hear that rumble roll through the ground. That's freedom calling.
Right, it's clutch fitted, or clutch cable. Gonna take it for a test drive.
Just throttle and thunder tonight. Rain hits hard on a visor crack. Every scar tells where I've been at. Workshop lights and oil-stained hands. Bill and I bought this machine command. From Cornish cliffs to desert plains.
So just got to change the angle of the clutch itself, the lever, the assembly.
Throttle and thunder tonight.